queen size bed, wardrobe, study table. How do you find this unit? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Manko here. Today I would like to introduce you one unit, 150 square feet. Just try have a look at this environment. I have another 3 electrical appliances to show you. What you can see now is a queen size bed, study table, and this wardrobe. I'll show you another 3 most important value items in this unit. Take a look. They have a washer, dryer, this one, fridge. Not bad. And one more item here. This is a microwave. If you like this unit, give me a call 013-911-0413. And one more thing I'm going to show you. This unit comes with own private bathroom. Take a look. Take a look. Wow. It's really value for money. If you want to rent this unit, give me a call 013-911-0413. Take a look again. From this angle, everything is brand new. Remember, click here for next video. Thank you so much for watching.